This is Motorola Moto G15, and today I will quickly show how you can format an SD card on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Settings app. Next, scroll down and select the storage category. Here it is. Now, from this device, switch to the SD card that you have installed, or memory card. And once the memory card is selected, tap over there, format, and then press format to confirm and proceed. I do not want to erase all files and data from my SD card, but just follow the instructions you'll see on your screen, and you should have no problem while performing the memory card formatting. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.